Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I know it's been a minute. You've been wondering where I have been and why the channel has been so quiet. Let me tell you, it's been one of those months. A lot of my time has been taken up with my work, but also the real reason for the radio silence was completely unexpected. You're not going to believe what happened with my car. Let me just open the gates so you can see the vehicle. First of all, thank you so much for sticking around. I really appreciate your patience. I've missed making some videos for you and I can't wait to get back to a regular schedule. But before we get to that, I have to tell you a crazy story with my car, and it's actually with the rear brakes. I've been feeling something a little off with my car recently and I had no idea just how serious it was. I took it in to get it checked and I discovered that my rear brake pads were running extremely thin. So I'm talking about paper thin. And because of that, my brake calipers completely seized up. So not only I did need new pads, but the brake disc had to be changed as well. So, but of course it didn't end there, because we hit another roadblock with the spacers. The bolt were so incredibly tight, so we just couldn't get them off. We tried everything, but in the end we had no choice but to drill out the old spacers. That meant buying all new parts, new spacers, new pads, new disc and new brake calipers. So it was a bit of a big job and completely unexpected, to be fair. The positive note is that since we've had the new brake calipers, I decided to have them painted black to match with the front, so at least they look amazing now. And the whole situation was a real eye-opener. I'm going to show you some photos and videos of it. I was honestly surprised to find out that my car does not have a sensor to tell you when the brake pads are worn out. So it's a good lesson that if you really have to visually check them, but it can also be very quite difficult because with the alloys it's not always easy, but now at least it's sorted. So my car is back on the road and running perfectly, and I'm back ready to make more videos. So I'm just thinking of some ideas I can just use to create new contents. And thank you so much for your patience. I'm so excited to be back. I just wanted to find out, have you ever had anything like this completely unexpected with this car? Let me know in your comments, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any new videos coming soon. See you in the next one. Thank you.